So guys, just a little morning walk around with Airwolf while the sun's out. Got some more upgrades to come on her soon. Those lines, doesn't get any better, does it? She's beautiful. Some inputs for some pitot tubes, the fuel filler, got gauze in the engine bays. I will fit some turbines behind them, you'll be able to see through. I've got the yellow tips on the blades. Just like, look at those lines. Doesn't get much better, does it? What a beautiful copter. Absolutely stunning. So blessed to be able to afford this. And my other ones. So yeah, keep watching the channel guys. Getting more subscribers every day. Loving it. And I do appreciate it. Thank you. Like, subscribe. Have a great Sunday everyone. Take care.